Chapter 3, Accounting for Material 3.4 Storekeeping. The learning outcomes are as follows. Number 1 is to understand centralized and decentralized storage. And number 2, to explain ABC, Pareto analysis, and coding method. The most common warehouse configuration are either centralized storage, wherein all products are shipped from one primary location, or decentralized, a method of maintaining several warehouses spread out to different areas in order to better serve different markets or stocking different products. The most common store control technique used are the ABC inventory analysis. The ABC analysis, known as always better control, applies the management by exception principle. The ABC divide the stock item in the store into 3 categories according to their value. Category A, items are low in quantity but high in value. Category B, items are medium in quantity and value. Category C, items are high in quantity but low in value. Stock item listed in Category A need to be in great care and closely controlled, whereas stock item in Category B requires due care and moderate control, and stock item in Category C require comparatively less control. Pareto analysis, similar to ABC in that inventory items are classified using the 80/20 distribution pattern. And the 80/20 principle states that to control inventory item, management has to recognize that a small fraction, that is 20% of the inventory item in the store, will carry a large proportion of 80% of the value for the stock. And for effective control, those 20% of the stock must be monitored and controlled closely. Another technique used for store control is coding method, which consists of sequential coding, hierarchical, block, faceted, and mnemonic. Sequential coding use numbers that have a consecutive order. An example of sequential code is 00, 01, 02, 03, and so on. Hierarchical coding are code that could be expanded upon if needed in a manner that is structured and logical. For example, the code used for asset is 808.01, and it can be continued with 808.02, and also it can be expanded to 808.03 and so on. And for the block coding refers to number an individual may assign for item list. For example, if a block code read 5,000 fixed asset, it means that the 5,000 block is exclusively for anything dealing with fixed asset. Next is faceted. Faceted code in accounting is a series of group numbers that represent different headings. For example, facet 1 or group 1 represent the different departments within the store, and facet 2 represent the different type of costs the store could incur. And the last one is mnemonic. Mnemonic coding use abbreviated letters that stand for a full word. For example, ACCT could stand for account, DD for date, and GTL for grand total. That's the end of this slide. Thank you.